Hey everyone, today I'll show you a Google Veo 3 image to video tutorial. First, go to labs.google/flow in your browser. Now click on Create with Flow. Here, click on Get Started to begin the setup. Then click on Sign in with Google and choose your Google account. Next, check the boxes for I'd like to receive marketing emails and I'd like to receive research invitations if you want. Now click on Next and then click Continue. After that, click on New Project to start creating your video. From the options, choose Text to Video, then select Frames to Video. Now click on the plus icon to upload your images. Click on Upload, then agree to the terms by clicking I agree. Now select the photo from your computer and click Open. You'll see options like Reset or Crop and Save. Click on Crop and Save to continue. Once the first image is uploaded, click on the plus icon again to upload another photo. To use these features fully and generate realistic videos, you'll need access to the Google AI Pro version. Once you have access, you can turn your images into smooth, realistic AI-generated videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.